Dolly, it's a pleasure to welcome you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. I'm really enjoying my evening today.
I thought, you know, because you've been there for a long time, the head of engineering for AWS App Studio. So I thought let me start first with a specific question because people would want to know, how you are helping get the App Studio team to the next level.
Yeah. So basically, like what we are looking at it, we are overall looking at workplace productivity and what problems exist there, and how we can help AWS customers have their use various AWS tools that are available and build applications with them and make it easier for them to be able to build with AWS and deploy the solutions that are there. And this is going to be ranging tools or any agents, etc., that we can build that are going to be, productivity boosters for overall our customers' employee bases. And this is a workplace solution that we are looking at with respect to how we improve the processes, how we automate processes, and how we can build agents or applications in this space, and bring in the I would say the productivity part of the metric within the organizations, so that they can go ahead and adopt this AI revolution faster and reduce their overall footprint with respect to costs, or with, I would say, time to launch various products, etc. So those are the things that we are looking at.
Broadly speaking, a lot of small businesses, startups who are customers of Amazon. AWS has been the backbone for many years. With the agentic AI, everybody is trying to come up with their own stuff. So, how do you see that landscape evolve?
Yeah, so in this space, right, AWS has a lot of solutions with respect to building the infrastructure. And I talked about previously how, as part of agentic AI, there are two aspects of it. The infrastructure that is there with respect to for you to be able to build a product, and then all your data sets, etc., that sits on the AWS infrastructure, and then now building products on top of it. So customers has their data with AWS. They have their company data like HR or marketing solutions or product, go-to-market plans, customer databases, etc. So with all of this data, how they can go ahead and launch the product faster, or get a product built with easily with all the AWS infrastructure that they are on, get that data easily available to them, so that they can go ahead and do various solutions. For example, last year we launched Amazon Q at reInvent. And at the New York Summit, we have launched Amazon Kiro. So the Kiro allows you to do vibe coding and development, rapid prototype development, as well as any coding software related tasks. Amazon Q allows you to combine your structured and unstructured data and build, like with similar to ChatGPT, ask questions around it, go ahead and figure out what you are going to go build. With AWS App Studio, you are able to go ahead and build applications that in natural language you can go ahead and build those and deploy them in production. So I would say with this, in agentic AI, Amazon is going ahead and building this set of products. Within infrastructure plays, you can also go ahead and have any type of models with Bedrock that you can go ahead and use, right? So there are various plays that we are doing. We are keeping the focus on the agentic AI side with building a set of products that are going to be coming soon, and we are going to be launching soon. So looking forward to the announcements that are coming in the upcoming months right now.
Great, thank you. I want to switch gears to professionals and the careers.
Okay.
A lot of challenges and a lot of opportunities. Everybody is scrambling to find out what is the best way forward so they can continue building their career. If I were to ask you, what do you think are the challenges for these people who have not yet jumped onto the bandwagon and found a niche for themselves? And for those who have found, what do they need to do to keep ahead?
Yeah, I feel like every professional, whatever job they are doing right now, right, they have an understanding of how that task is done, or they are the experts in that area. They understand where the gaps are, what the loopholes are, how to get things done. What AI has learned right now is a general knowledge that is available. So there are going to be, as part of building these AI solutions, a human expertise is required for the machines to be able to say this is the right thing, whether you call it eval or whether you call it model training or figuring out what is right from wrong. So every individual, as they already understand what is the thing to be built as part of their professional career right now. So what you have to go ahead and see is how you go ahead and bring this in this AI world, and what value add you are providing from the general knowledge base or even specialized knowledge base that the models have trained on, have brought in. For example, like somebody was talking about the AI can help you do meeting summaries. That can go ahead and provide you how these things are done or the best practices that are there. But coordination among across countries with multiple people and what it is required with respect to connections, getting things done, you understand that. Now how do you codify that, or how would you reduce the gap with respect to the coordination or the communication challenges that are going to be there? That's also something that one can go ahead and do. So you have to go ahead and figure out what is the specialization that you have built as part of your professional career, and how do you bring that value add into this agentic AI world, or I would say generally AI world right now.
Last question. I'm taking a couple steps back for all the young girls and boys who are in high school or middle school. Most of the kids, regardless of ethnicity here in the US, are technology averse. They don't want to become engineers as much as in other fields. And so how do you, as a successful woman leader in engineering, would encourage young kids to focus on STEM, especially in IT engineering?
I would say AI has democratized the tech right now, because so much of what we envisioned as tech now is through the natural language. It's basically about, if you think about, I want to do something like this, doesn't have to be tech related or STEM related. How do I go about it? It is able to provide you certain answers. Now how do you go take the next steps? So everybody is participating, they are using the STEM. Now do we want to go ahead and apply that to scientific problems or STEM related problems, or you apply them to the business problems, or do you apply them to legal problems or campaign or creativity problems? It's up to you, but everybody is using tech. So I would say AI will really help everybody's learnings and being able to adopt the technology easily further than what we have been used to. Like how iPhone was a revolutionary device that helped everybody being connected, and it opened up so many opportunities for us to be with social apps, etc., to reduce that connectivity gap, right? AI is going to help that STEM education, I would say learnings or education or application problem solving related gap for a lot of people. And now with respect to younger students going ahead and using STEM, I feel like the focus has to be on problem solving rather than the scientific methodology behind how that problem is solved, because sometimes it's all about the team that you build on what the problem you want to solve. You will find the people that will help you solve those problems. So I just look at it like focus on improving your problem solving, logical thinking, even creativity of thinking outside the box as part of your education or learnings. And there are a lot of tools available for you right now to bootstrap that learning very fast with AI right now.
Great. Thank you. And thank you for coming and sharing your thoughts. I think the audience have received you really well. Appreciate that very much.
Thank you. It's a pleasure having you.